Hello, today we'll be unboxing the JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker. So I have it in the color blue, as you can see on the screen. So this is what comes in the box. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker. And we'll go ahead and get started. So there's some of the features such as 20 hours of playtime, IP67 waterproof and dustproof. There's a power bank and it has JBL Party Boost. And like I said, this is a Bluetooth speaker. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing this. So there's two pieces of tape right here at the back. We'll just cut those off. All right. And there it comes off, just like that. So it comes out this way. So go ahead and pull it up. So right here, it just has some information, some stuff about the Charge 5. And then once you open this a little bit more, the first thing is going to be right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And out of here comes the instruction manual and warranty card. And there's another instruction manual down in here. And then we're gonna get into the main part right here. So there's a protective cloth that comes out. And then past that is the actual speaker right here. So this is the JBL Charge 5. All the controls are on the top. Power cable, and you can pull this little port up. And there is a USB port in there. Okay, so here is everything out of the box. It also has the quick start guide that comes out of that little envelope that we pulled out first. And also the charging cable right here, which you can use for the speaker. So I'm just gonna show you some of the main features of the speaker. It's a pretty simple speaker to use, and all the controls are right here on the top. So to turn it on, you'll just hold down the power button. It's gonna light up and you'll wait for it to make the noise. So you heard it make the noise, so it is now ready to pair via Bluetooth. That is flashing, so to join the Bluetooth, you'll go into your settings on your phone or device. Volume control, here's the plus to go louder and minus to go lower. And then if you wanna stop and start a song, you can hit the play button right here. This is that JBL Party Boost, which you can read more about in the Quick Start Guide. So this is the JBL speaker, and you can just power it off. Just hold down the power button for just a few seconds. The light will turn off, and you will hear it play a sound just a few times. And once that sound stops, you'll be all done, and it'll be shut off. And like I said, the charging port is right there. So this is the JBL Charge 5 speaker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and thank you.